Sexual dysfunction, interrupted pleasure, loss of interest in sexual partners, not responding to instructions, erectile dysfunction only occurs with those who are unaware of Neypro 𝗦 Gold, a product that enhances sexual function. Let's consult with a doctor at the US International Clinic, specializing in male specialty, to learn more about Neypro 𝗦 Gold, to help you quickly regain the flame of desire, enhance vitality for men to achieve satisfaction, a happy life. Gentlemen who are experiencing symptoms such as sexual dysfunction, premature ejaculation, enlarged prostate gland, and facing kidney-related issues, please stay for today's live stream. In addition, those who are experiencing hair loss, frequent urination at night, painful urination, abnormal urination, even skin rashes and itching, weakened bodies should also join this live stream right away to help you overcome these frustrations, helplessness, and concerns and enjoy a beautiful life. On behalf of the brand, I am proud to introduce Neypro 𝗦 Gold to everyone, an effective solution to improve and enhance sexual function for a better life, improved marital relationships. I commit to providing everyone with 100% high-quality nutritional products that have been clinically tested and trusted by millions of customers worldwide. I and the brand understand that your love and support are extremely important, and I consider it a top priority in every product I bring to you. Especially the promotion today is extremely significant. If you don't buy it now, when will you? 1 can is 129 dirham. 2 cans is 199 dirham. That's only 100 dirham per can. 3 cans gets 1 free can. Total of 4 cans. That's 249 dirham. That's only 62 dirham per can. Oh, I see some comments here from Morris Matthews. If you're running out of money before going to the market, disappoint your spouse or lover, then you should drink Neypro right away. Another from Zira Montgomery. If you lack confidence next to your partner, it diminishes your own attractiveness. So watching this live stream is the right thing to do. Next is Michael Norman. I heard that this Neypro 𝗦 Gold for enhancing sexual function is not only delicious, but also of great quality. Anyone experiencing sexual dysfunction should give it a try. Brian Torr. Oh, this Neypro 𝗦 Gold is very effective in supporting and enhancing sexual function, so it's selling out quickly. I've only just noticed it. I have to order some and use it gradually. That's right! Can you all see it? I haven't even had a chance to introduce it, and we are already having customers praising. Seeing is believing. In my hand is the Neypro 𝗦 Gold product in a very sophisticated and high-quality can with complete packaging and warranty, so you can feel completely at ease when using it. The brand places special emphasis on providing clear and detailed information so that everyone can have a better understanding of Neypro 𝗦 Gold and how to use it. Neypro 𝗦 Gold is not only the result of advanced research and development, but also a harmonious blend of carefully selected natural ingredients. With its unique and high-quality 24-hour colostrum milk formula, Neypro 𝗦 Gold is designed to support and stimulate natural and safe physiological balance. Do you know what's really special about this Neypro 𝗦 Gold colostrum product? Neypro 𝗦 Gold colostrum is produced and packaged according to the highest world standards. The milk ingredients are imported from New Zealand, while the colostrum component is directly imported from the United States. Additionally, Neypro 𝗦 Gold meets GMP FDA standards, which is the standard that every product must meet to be circulated in the US market. So, you can feel completely assured about the quality and effectiveness of this Neypro 𝗦 Gold colostrum product. We guarantee results after just 1 week of use. By using Neypro 𝗦 Gold, all the issues related to sexual function, decreased desire, and physiological disorders that men encounter will disappear completely. 1 can, 129 dirham. 2 cans is 199 dirham. That's only 100 dirham per can. 3 cans gets 1 free can. 4 total cans, 249 dirham. That's only 62 dirham per can. Oh, I see another comment from Jewel Howell. Sometimes my husband feels impotent and loses interest. Does this Neypro improve this, dear? Yes, absolutely. This kidney nourishing and sexual function enhancing colostrum milk is really suitable for your husband. Please place an order under the live link, dear. Next, from Ed Rose. I saw this media report that this milk integrates many benefits and good ingredients for those who have sexual health issues. I suffer from erectile dysfunction, and since using Neypro, it has been very effective with a noticeable improvement in sexual function. I'm waiting for you to go live so I can continue ordering it and using it. Oh, thank you very much. I guarantee to provide the best experience for you, helping you feel the highest pleasure and newfound confidence in your sexual and everyday life. Our products are reasonably priced and of high quality. If you don't buy from me, where else would you buy it? Using it will make you addicted, with one person being healthy, two people being happy, and feelings always full of vitality. With unique and high-quality formulas, the product is specially designed to support natural and safe physiological balance. In addition, the colostrum component in Neypro 𝗦 Gold supplements IgB and IgG, which helps strengthen the immune system and produce millions of different antibodies, while harnesses all the necessary functions to eliminate most of the factors causing sexual issues and factors that impair kidney function. Not only for those experiencing sexual problems, but also for those with kidney-related diseases, buying a Neypro 𝗦 Gold colostrum treatment is a must. I know that people with sexual health issues, decreased desire for sexual intercourse, erectile dysfunction, dryness, and unwillingness to engage with their sexual partners for various reasons, partially due to a decline in kidney function. With limited protein, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, Neypro 𝗦 Gold supplement colostrum is scientifically designed specifically for kidney patients, providing complete nutrition and amino acids without burdening this organ. Especially, the milk contains components such as sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, designed with the lowest formula. Individuals with physiological diseases and kidney-related issues often face difficulties in their married life and feel hesitant and insecure about intimate matters. When using Neypro 𝗦 Gold colostrum, you can be assured that you no longer have to worry about interruptions in your love life. A happy married life is an important part of life, an aspect closely related to fulfillment of love in a relationship. To have a happy married life, you should order Neypro 𝗦 Gold immediately to improve and experience noticeable effectiveness. Come on, everyone, this opportunity is unique. 1 can is 129 dirham. 2 cans is 199 dirham. That's only 100 dirham per can. Buy 3 cans, get 1 free can. That's a total of 4 cans for 249 dirham. That's only 62 dirham per can. Oh, I see another comment popping up. One from Adele Webster. What a great product. I want to buy a can to try it. Next is from Evelyn Fox. I have to order it for my husband to use. I'll order 3 cans. Okay, I will place the order for you right away. Thank you. Next is from Melody Harriet. Last time I bought from another company, I didn't see any results. This milk is fragrant and easy to drink. After finishing 2 cans, I no longer feel awkward in my married life. Oh, thank you for sharing. Speaking of delicious, nutritious milk that provides complete nutrients for those with weak libido, I affirm that this Neypro 𝗦 Gold colostrum is currently the most effective product of the market. At this time, finding a milk with reasonable price, quality, and effectiveness, Neypro 𝗦 Gold is truly unmatched. While physiological diseases do not affect life expectancy, they carry the risk of infertility and impotence. In addition, the condition of no response from below can make men feel insecure and self-conscious. Therefore, to improve this situation, many men have trusted and used Neypro 𝗦 Gold with the hope to quickly regain their masculinity. Oh, I see some more comments. One is from Frederick Lawson. Lately, I haven't been proactive, and my wife isn't as interested as when we first got married. I want to buy this product to improve my premature ejaculation condition. Yes, I will place an order, and I will send it to you as soon as possible. It's the right choice for you to use Neypro. By consistently consuming it, you can completely eliminate the symptoms of premature ejaculation, erectile dysfunction, and low libido. Your body will recover and stabilize immediately after using Neypro colostrum milk. It's good for men to drink this kidney-boosting and libido-enhancing milk to improve their health. Oh, another comment from Aubrey Reeves. My husband drinks alcohol and smokes a lot. It affects him too much. He not only experiences premature ejaculation, but also has difficulty urinating and continuous discomfort for months, which affects his ability to work. Can he use Neypro? Everyone should buy this Neypro 1 Gold Colostrum milk to improve their sexual function and eliminate pain, which affects their daily life. My husband used to drink a lot of alcohol too. There were times when he was really weak and couldn't handle more than 3 minutes. He even experienced frequent urination, and our marital life was neglected, leading to arguments and anger. Fortunately, I advised my husband to try Neypro 1 Gold. Since then, my husband's sleep and rest have returned to normal. He eats well and sleeps well, so everything is much better. If my husband is healthy, I'm happy too, and that's why we have been loyal to Neypro 1 Gold until now. This is a great product, so I advise all men to buy it and gradually improve their conditions. It's also a wonderful gift that wives can give to their husbands, an opportunity to express love and make married life more fulfilling. If my family has used it, why hesitate anymore? You should order it to experience the clear effectiveness of this product. Oh, I see another comment from Jackson Preston. My husband also drinks a lot of beer and alcohol, so lately he's been feeling tired, urinating frequently during the night, and feeling weak. I'm disappointed and haven't found a solution. In that case, you should immediately order Neypro 1 Gold Colostrum from us. It's not okay for a couple to lose interest, and it can heavily impact your married life. By buying this milk for your husband to try, his kidney function and sexual function will improve and recover. I guarantee that I won't disappoint you. Our Neypro 1 Gold milk contains a mixture of vitamins and minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, vitamin A, vitamin D3, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin B1, riboflavin, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, folic acid, which are all very beneficial for your health. In addition, Neypro 1 Gold contains nutrients that have the ability to stimulate and support of sexual function. The nutrient balance in the product helps reduce anxiety and stress, which is also of the factors that affect sexual performance. The ingredients in the product have the ability to enhance blood circulation to the kidney area and improve sexual function. This helps men enhance their ability to have a strong erection, as well as help women increase their desire and make it easier for them in their marital relationships. Many cases of sexual disorders can lead to long-term progression, costing not only money and time, but also significantly weakening health and even infertility. Some individuals have said to me, "Why didn't you introduce and advise us on this product sooner?" I'm not really surprised by the effectiveness of Neypro 1 Gold Colostrum because I am a very meticulous person. The product must meet 3 criteria: quality, effectiveness, and reasonable price before I confidently share it with everyone. Those who have purchased and used it for their spouses have given positive feedback, which is very helpful to me. It's better for more people who are facing sexual disorders, kidney problems, weak kidneys, frequent urination, etc., to know and start using this product as soon as possible. Oh, I see more comments. Hayden Kim. Neypro is really great. It's a specialized product for people with sexual disorders like me. Yes, exactly. I agree. Next is Melanie Patton. I give Neypro a total score of 10 out of 10. I love it. Me too. Incredible to hear. Next is Felicia Nana. Neypro 1 Gold Colostrum is a wonderful health gift. My husband had urinary problems. Since he started using it, there has been a significant improvement and he is much healthier. I'm glad to hear that, and I'm sure you're happy too. Neypro is like a magic remedy. The reason Neypro 1 Gold Colostrum provides such great results is that the product is produced based on the nutritional recommendations of medical experts. The amount and ratio of vitamins and minerals are scientifically designed to provide essential nutrition for people with sexual disorders. People with high blood urea or those who need to reduce protein in their daily diet can also use it. Neypro 1 Gold Colostrum aims to build a scientific diet, help control disease factors, improve health, and maintain a quality life. By the way, I will guide everyone on the correct usage, as many of you have been asking about the instructions. The usage is very easy and convenient. First, you mix 3 scoops into 150 milliliters of warm water. 1, 2, and 3. Next, stir well to get a cup of about 170 milliliters, which provides 136.2 calories. Using 3 or 4 cups per day or as instructed by a healthcare professional. Depending on the condition, normally after about 1 or 2 treatment courses, you will see clear results. The earlier you use the product, the quicker and longer lasting the effectiveness will be for the whole family. I guarantee that if you drink 1 or 2 cups regularly every day, you will completely say goodbye to concerns about sexual wellness, erectile dysfunction, and premature ejaculation. It's proof that once you have the book, you will have the evidence. Can those who have purchased Neypro 1 Gold Colostrum for me please leave a comment under this live video? Oh, I see one from Leigh Robbins. I no longer have nocturia since I started using Neypro 1 Gold. I want to buy 3 more cans. Awesome, I'll put the order in. Next from Henry Goodwin. My desire has decreased due to kidney function decline. But when I use Neypro, my body becomes healthier and my sexual function improves a lot. Awesome, great to hear. Next is Kayla Barrett. The milk is delicious and effective to drink. It's effective too. My sexual wellness has significantly improved and my marital relationship has become more passionate. That's great to hear. Neypro 1 Gold Colostrum, the secret of great performance. 100% of customers have used it and achieved complete effectiveness in just a short period of time. Currently, the manufacturer has attractive offers for customers ordering Neypro 1 Gold. 1 can is 129 dirham. 2 cans is 199 dirham. That's only 100 dirham per can. 3 cans, get 1 free can. Total of 4 cans for 249 dirham. That's only 62 dirham per can. Another comment. Hunter Richards, please send me 2 cans to the old address. Okay, sure, I'll put the order in. Next is Tiffany Cross. This deal is too good. I have to buy a combo. Sure thing. Next is Alana Fowler. Please send me 1 combo. Free shipping would be great. Sure, I will place the order for you. After that, Lindsay Holmes. If you want to be healthy, have strong vitality, you should buy this product right away. Please give me 5 cans for the lady. Sure thing. There are many more comments that I couldn't read all of. Neypro 1 Gold confidently believes that it will be a reliable companion on the journey to conquer male vitality. If anyone is experiencing erectile dysfunction, kidney problems, weak kidneys, or premature ejaculation, you should use Neypro 1 Gold Colostrum right away. Now, I would like to end the live stream to process the orders for everyone. Thank you all very much.